Today's episode is brimming with enthusiasm as we are about to take you through an exciting session on how to craft eye-catching animated videos with the aid of artificial intelligence. We'll look into the usage of three extraordinary AI tools: Google Bard, Murf.ai, and Adobe Express. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. First off, we need an intriguing storyline for our animated video. Don't sweat it. Google Bard is our accomplice here. Open your web browser and make your way to the Google Bard website. Once you're there, simply feed in your story's prompt. For this session, I'll use a YouTube video intro script as a prompt. Feel free to input your own, keeping in mind the story you aim to narrate. Great! Now, just grab the script produced by Google Bard. This will form the skeleton of our animated video. With our script in hand, it's time to bring in a professional voiceover via Murf.ai. Don't fret, I'll leave a link to Murf.ai in the video's description section. Once you're on the Murf.ai website, click on Create a New Project. Name your project and set the project type as Presentation. The fun part is next, choosing your voice model. Murf.ai provides a broad range of voice models in over 30 different languages, including but not limited to Spanish, Russian, Chinese, Hindi, English. Choose the voice model that best complements your project. Now, input the script generated by Google Bard into Murf.ai. Time to hit that play button. Murf.ai algorithm steps in, furnishing a highly professional voiceover for our script. Before we proceed to download, it's crucial to preview the voiceover. We may need to modify the speed, pitch, or pronunciation if needed. After a thorough review and necessary adjustments to the audio, hit the export button. Our voiceover is primed for the next step. Next up, in step 3, we'll animate our storyline with Adobe Express. A link to Adobe Express can be found in the video description. Once you've navigated to Adobe Express, select Make Animation for YouTube to get started. Time to pick our animated character. I'm opting for a lovable anime girl, but you're free to select the one that suits your video style and content best. Next, let's modify the background to enhance our animation's visual appeal. For YouTube videos, the correct video format is imperative. I suggest using the 16:9 ratio for an optimal result. Now we proceed to give our character a voice. While you still have the option to record your own voice, I've already made a voiceover with Murf.ai, so I'll select Choose an Audio File and upload it here. Adobe Express will automatically coordinate the audio with our character's movements, facilitating a flawless lip-syncing effect. It might require a moment, but trust me, the result is totally worth it. Adobe Express has successfully sculpted our personalized, dazzling animated video. If any tweaks are desired, you have the liberty to coordinate again until you're completely satisfied. Just click on the download button, and we're set to unveil our artistry to the world.
Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Amelia who loved to read. She would read anything she could get her hands on, from fairy tales to adventure stories. One day, Amelia was reading a book about a magical land called Wonderland. She was so engrossed in the story that she didn't notice that she had fallen asleep.
Thanks to AI tools like Google Bard, Murf.ai, and Adobe Express, creating engaging animated videos is a breeze. Go on, experiment with it, let your imagination run wild. If you found value in this video, please remember to express your support by hitting the like button. To stay updated with more amazing tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you want to watch a video about best 100% free image upscaler enhance and upscale old photo, click on left. If you want to watch a video about earn money with AI by creating animation video with your static funny image, click on right. Thank you very much. Happy AI journey!